Hello everyone, and today is our class number 2 of Canva. So let's get started. Yesterday we learned how to use templates in order to make our designs. We made a birthday card that you can see right over here. We learned how to make a birthday card, how to give a little animation to it. We can actually try, see? And I gave you guys a homework to do that. I received a lot of homeworks and they were awesome. So let's see what we can make today. Yesterday we learned how to do it with templates, but today we're going to learn how to do it with a blank canvas, which means we're going to work on a blank page and we're going to know how to make stuff ourselves. Okay, so if we come on Canva, you will scroll down a bit and you will see you might want to try. Here you will see different kinds of options, which from where you can create a blank canvas. We're going to make it on a poster. If you don't see a poster option, you can actually go ahead with this arrow key. And if you still don't see it, you can come over here in the search bar and search for it, poster, enter it, and then you will find a uh, blank poster from here. Just click on that. Now you can see that we have a white canvas right over here and we can start working on it. Now, we're going to know how to actually use the elements and the text and how to make our own stuff. So one thing you can do in this design tab, you can see already made templates. You can actually take one from here and put it over here if you want to, which is not a good idea. It's better to make it ourselves. So we're not going to take that. We're going to go into the second option in the elements panel. If we go a little down, we can see so many elements over here. We can either take well, let's see, Happy New Year sticker I want. I can just place it over here, change the size, change the color from here, crop it. If I want to crop it, I can crop this. So as you can see, we can crop it, we can increase or decrease the size, and we can either go down and we can take any other sticker. You can see this animated ball. We can take any picture we want. For example, over here, we can place it as a background. If we want to place any image as a background, we'll have to take it and put it on the very side, which will make it as a background, or we can just put it in the middle so that it comes as a normal image. We can take a video like this one. If we play it, it's going to play as a video. If we go a little further, we can take any shape we want. For example, this one, increase the size, change the color, whatever I want. All right. So we can do all of that. If I want to change the color of a blank canvas, I can just click on it and you will see this option. I'll just click on the background and change the color of it. If I want more colors, I can take that as well. See, just like that. If I go back into the elements panel, I can scroll down a bit, and if you see there are table option, we can take as a table. Infographics option, like different charts, we can take the charts as well. Just take one and put it here. Then if you go a little down, you will see these frames. Now, what are these frames for? For example, I want a frame that, let's just say this one. I'll put it over here. Now, now this is basically here so that I can put a picture inside it. So I'm going to search for a picture. Let's just say I want this one. I can either put the picture like this. You see, it's in a rectangular manner, all right? But I want it to be like a flower or this curly thing. I can delete this. I'll again go and get this picture and I will put it inside this. Now you can see the pictures inside this little cutout. This is called masking. I can actually double click on it, make it come a little down. Now you see how cool does this look? I just place it in the middle. Then if I want to change the background, I can just do that. I can also take elements or images from the Google. For example, if you see over here this uploads option, I can click over here. It says upload files. Now, for example, I will go on to Google and I want to search balloons. All right, and for example, I want this one. I can just click on that. I will right click. I can save image as, download it onto my computer, go back on Canva, click on this upload files option, and I can choose the balloons I took, open it, and see, it's coming. It will all be done in this uploads panel. Now I can take the balloon and put it even inside here or outside, wherever I want. See how cool is that? Now if I want to put any text, for example, I'll put it here. I will change this background like this. See, I put it like this. Now I can go in the text. I can take any text I want, any of these, but you have to take don't take the ones that has this crown and pro on it, because these one requires payment and we are using free version, so we cannot get these crown or dollar ones. We go a little down. For example, I want this one. I'll just take and drag, or just take and drag, put it over here, and write, for example, whatever. Let's just say party. Alright, I can drag it. If I want to change the size, I can change the size from here. See, I can just choose any size. I can change the color from here, and I can increase the size or decrease the size from also here. And yeah, and if I want to delete something, I can just click on it and you'll see it has this delete option, or either I can just click and delete it with my keyboard. Alright, so this is done now. Now I can go, you can also add a music behind this. For example, if I go in this, go a little down, you see this audio option. If you don't see it, you can see, you can click on this apps option. Alright, it will show you the screen, and you can take this audio option from here, click on it, and see you have different kinds of audio. And I can just take any one of them. I'll just put it here. Now it can play. So this is how you can actually take audio and take different kinds of images, take it from Google and everywhere. All right. So this was just a little. I was just showing you guys how you can actually import stuff and make your own stuff in Canva rather than using templates. Now you can stop this video and you can go and try out all the options from here. Try to make different kinds of stuff, and if you have any problems, you can actually write it down in the comments, or you can actually text me and I will let you know how to do that. But you can actually try all of these stuff out and use them. And yes, so when you're done with this, we can go on to the next one. How to go on to the next screen? You can just click this home. All right. Whatever things you save, you can actually see it right over here. Okay. All right. So what are we doing next is a myself. Now you can see it has a heading myself, my name, my age, my hobbies, my birthday, my favorite movie, my favorite food, and everything. Whatever you want to add over here, you can actually add in this myself. If you go on Google, myself on Canva, we can see different people actually already made this. If you go a little down, you can see all about me. Hello, my name is, my hobby, I am how many years old. You can go a little down, you can see more templates like these. And it's better not to take the templates. You can actually make all of this yourself. So, like I made this all by myself, I took all of these by myself. You can actually create it yourself too. How can you do that? Let me show you. We will go ahead, take another poster. All right. When we do that, it will open up a blank page. Now we can customize this. For example, I want a background which has a paper on it. It's up to you whatever background you want. I'm just going to make like whatever I want. I'll go in this elements option, click over here, write a paper. Gives me different kinds of papers over here. Alright, I'll just go ahead and let's just say I chose this one. Okay, I can increase the size of this just like this. Now I have a paper. I want to put stuff on this. So let's just say that I want this one. I can take this. I can crop it from here. Just put it over here. It's up to you whatever you guys want to take. I'm just taking whatever I want to. Now we can go on to this text option and take any text we want. So let's just say I want this one. You can take this. Alright. I don't want this, so I can just delete that. I just want this one. I'll write myself. Okay. I can put it over here. I can decrease the size if I want. Alright. Now I have to start writing at the bottom. So what I can do, I can go a little up and I can, for example, I took a little heading, this one. Let's just say I write my name, put it here. I can take this again and I can write my age and then take another, put it here. Change this to my hobbies. Take that again and write my nickname, let's just say. If you want to decrease the size, you can do it from here. Alright. Okay, then I want another one. And I want my favorite food. Okay, and that is it. Whatever you guys want to write, you can do that. I'm just writing these simple ones. Then I can take the another text tool and now I can write the answers of these. If I want to change the color of this, I can just go over here, change it. See, now the color is also changed. Now I'm going to write my name, whatever I want to, write. Then take it again. If you want to increase the size, you can do that as well. I can just write the age, and I can take that again. Hobbies. Take that again. Nickname, whatever nickname you guys have. Then you can, okay, you can actually have whatever you want. If you don't want this nickname option, you can change it to my favorite place, my favorite animal, my favorite toy, whatever you want. Let's just say pizza over here. See, so this is basically how you can do that. Now, for example, I want to animate this. So what can I do? I can just click here. All right. I can just click on these, go into this animate option. And for example, just take this one. All right. Then I can animate these also. Just click on them, animate, go again, this block. And you can do the same with any of these. Okay, take this block, these one as well. Animations are really easy to do. You can just click or drag or whatever you want and then take an animation. As you can see, it's ready now. I want some balloons over here, or maybe I want something else over here. So I can go into the elements option and I can find some cool stuff over here. Let's just say that I want. We can go in the stickers panel and have a lot of these. For example, I want this. Decrease the size. See? And I can have, I can go a little down and then I can find more stuff. See, just like this. Go a little down and find more. There are so many stuff over here. I can just take them, drag and drop, decrease the size, whatever I want to do. And see, it's ready now. Now I can view it. You can see. Look. How cool is this? Now I can save this. Just write the name over here. Let's just say I write myself, or yeah, just myself. And now it's saved. Now I want to download this. I can go into share. I can click download. It's going to download as a MP4 video because it's a video, and click download. So now it's going to download itself, and this is how easy it is to make a myself. You can either make this kind of, or there are more examples on Google. Just make it yourself, use your own imagination, and create stuff that you want to. All right. I'm going to give a little homework to you guys, which is that you have to go on to home in Canva, and you have to scroll a bit down or maybe a little ahead from here, and you might want to try. You'll see this logo option, or you can actually go and type it logo, and you will see the option of create a blank logo. You have to click on it and create your own logo. Now, what is a logo? As I said in the first class, you have to have a picture and you have to have your name on it. That's a logo that represents you. So you can see a lot of examples over here. People have already created that. You can create your own logo very simply. Do not take any logo from here, just create it yourself. For example, I'm just going to create one really quick. For example, I have a pizza place. I'm going to take pizza. Just take this one. Okay, I'm going to put it in the middle. And now I want Iman's pizza place written over it, so I can just go and let's just say I take this one. No, maybe another one. I'm going to go a little down, and for example, I want this one. Alright, now I can write with it. I can decrease the size, do this, and this is my logo. I can change the color of it however I want. Okay, for example, I want it to be white, and I can change the background color to whatever I want. Just like this, and our logo is ready. So you can use your own imagination and create your own logo. For example, you have a gaming channel, or you want to create a YouTube logo or a pizza logo, burger, whatever you want to. You can name it yourself, create it yourself, and that is simply how you can do it. I'll see you in the next class.